I know we all seen videos like this or even heard of stories or had friends that applied to tech internships and weren't able to land one. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why tech internships are so elusive. What up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. My name is Dita Cyberman, and I basically just talk about tech and my journey through the tech and software engineering field. If you guys like my videos or if you guys want to keep watching my videos, make sure to subscribe, leave a like on this video, it'd be much appreciated. And now without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so I think reason number one why software engineering internships, especially entry-level internships, are so hard to land is because of the hype. If you go on social media, everyone's talking about, oh, software engineering is so easy, you should get into tech, this and that. And yeah, I think everyone should get into tech. I mean, that is the future. But I do think software engineering is not as easy as everyone says it is. Basically, all that hype is bringing everyone into the tech sector, and it's basically a simple supply and demand, right? If you have a lot of people applying for the same positions, only a certain amount of people are going to be able to get those jobs. That means more than likely your job application is going to either get denied or no one's even going to respond to you. The next thing I want to talk about is tech layoffs. I think this also played a role in entry-level positions. The reason why I say this is because, ever since like 2022 and all the way up to now, 2023, tech layoffs have been happening at a constant rate. The reason why this affects entry-level positions is because now entry-level software engineers are having to fight against, people with more experience in the field, people with better connections in the field. And so, like I said earlier, with the supply and demand, obviously if you're a recruiter, you're gonna want to pick someone with more years of experience over someone who has 0 years of experience, and which makes it a lot harder to land a tech internship or even get your foot in the door in the tech field. And I think the final reason why it's so hard to land a software engineering internship or get into the software engineering field is just the experience. If you go on LinkedIn or Indeed or Handshake, a lot of these apps to find a job, you notice that a lot of the entry-level positions require some years of experience. Most of them actually require like 3 years of experience. And it's kind of like a catch-22. How are you going to get 3 years of experience if you can't even land your first job? And on top of that, with the things I named earlier, like layoffs and all the people getting into the tech sector, it makes it just extremely competitive to finally land your first tech internship. All right, that's going to wrap up this video. If you guys like videos like this, like I said, leave me a like. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Feel free to drop a comment about your experience trying to land a tech internship. I much appreciate it. And until next time.